of them is a trained CWI, and then the other guy is the chief engineer of the company, and he is like a professional engineer, like licensed. And that's the guy I report to for all of my design engineering work.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. This is the field which you haven't done.
Yeah.
Up until now.
You're right. And it was really fun. Like the days were going by pretty quickly because I was constantly working through problems, and I have definitely been challenged in the first couple weeks here way more than I was at Puget Sound, where I'm having to think outside of the box a lot, where at Puget Sound it was more like, here's the problem and here's what we do usually. Whereas here at Harris, you're not given a lot of the problems, but you still have to get to the answer. And I guess an example would be, there is a drawing, like a drawing of a pressure vessel that the customer would give us. It's still our responsibility to design the pressure vessel and make, like, kind of double check that their drawings are up to standards, because we are still liable as the manufacturer. If we make something, it still has to be, up to the codes and up to all of the standards, even if the customer has, like, wrong drawings, right? So
do you make up these things right at your plant?
Mm-hmm. So, yeah, the process is mainly the customer will have a problem, be like, oh, we want this new pressure vessel, here's like the dimensions. And then our job as design engineers, we make that vessel into the computer program, and then it calculates, this is how thick it has to be. This is the design pressure, this is the design temperature. So the shell has to be this wide, this thick, all this stuff, and you have to account for all of the stresses, like earthquakes and wind and internal pressures, external pressures. So there's so much, but that's like kind of the fun behind it too. And I'm having to go from like Excel sheet to program to different program, and just like trying to keep track of it all. Just because it's been my first time, it was a little bit overwhelming, but I've been keeping pretty good notes, and I think like next week there's another practice example vessel that I'll be doing, and this one will be a little more challenging, like more nozzles in like different orientations, like a different set of supports. So yeah, it's just been really fun, and sometimes those customer drawings don't have all of the information that you need, but you have to make an educated guess and kind of like write that down. I guessed this, but it's okay. And you kind of like over design just to make sure that it's conservative, if that makes sense.
Well, the more you do this, the more experience you're going to get in it.
Mm-hmm.
And the more you'll get that you know how to do it easier. It'll come to you easier, don't you think?
Yes, I 100% agree with you. And it's only been a week, but I started, feeling a little bit better operating that program. I'm like, oh, I know I have to add this component here, and it drops down into this, this section. And then I will definitely get faster and faster, but it's good to know like kind of where everything's coming from. Just because it's my first time, I need to take it kind of slow.
Well, sure. I mean, it's and each time you do it, you're going to accomplish it, and it'll not necessarily be faster, but it'll be easier.
Yeah, right.
Smoother.
Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll be like more efficient, I think. So, yeah, it's been really fun, and yeah, just like learning how the company process goes. Like this calculation package was like over 60 pages, and this is like a this is a very simple like vessel. So I can't imagine larger vessels with like more intricate stuff. Yeah, but I mean baby steps. And the other engineer, because there's only 3 engineers at Harris, the head engineer, me, and then a guy who's been there for 2 years. He's only 25. He's like a mechanical engineer, but he's also very knowledgeable, and he's been helping me out a lot whenever I have questions. And it's like I feel comfortable asking him questions because he's good at explaining it, and he doesn't come off as like a know-it-all or like, oh, how do you not know this yet? It's more like he understands where I'm coming from, just because it's, you know, a new area for me. But yeah, it's been really good.
That's very interesting. Very, yeah. Well, you just stick to it. And how was your Valentine dinner?
Oh, it was really good. Yeah, we had that steak dinner with mashed potatoes on Wednesday night, but we had a really, really good sushi dinner last night at a place called Jankin. It's a little pricier, but it was like a whole food experience. So we had a really good time.
I like the way you said that. Yeah, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, Kayla's at work right now on the weekends.
Okay.
And oh yeah, Grandma, I don't think I told you, but we also just recently got a cat, a little kitten.
Oh no, you didn't. What? Well, tell me about this.
Yeah, so we've had her for about 2 weeks now, but we've been wanting a cat for a while. Ever since we moved in together, we've been thinking about it. And then we found like a listing on Craigslist for this specific breed that we've been looking for, just because Kayla is allergic to most dogs and cats. And this breed is a little more hypoallergenic, so she doesn't act up nearly as much, which is good, and which would be necessary. But yeah, she's a little kitten, and it has been a lot of work, more work than I thought, just because you kind of have to keep watch of her, especially the first couple weeks, just to make sure she wasn't, you know, peeing in the wrong places. And she was litter box trained, but, you know, she still is so young, and when she first came to our apartment, it was like a whole new environment, so she didn't feel super safe, but she's definitely settled in. And we did have some problems with training her to not pee in the bed because she sleeps with us. Which was we had to change the sheets like 3 times in a row. But you remember Kyle? He's one of my friends from Ohio State. Yeah, he just got into veterinary school, or he's been at Ohio State vet school for the past year. And he also has a little cat, so I asked him a bunch of questions, and he gave us advice. But we got another litter box. We had one, but he told us to get another one for the bedroom, and then that worked like a charm. So she is able to go in there. It doesn't really make sense to me because it's like 5 feet away from the one in the bathroom, but if she stops peeing, then it's fine by me.
Well, what's her name?
Her name is Noli, Noli.
Oh my. And what color is she?
She is gray. Russian blues are like this mute gray color. And I'll send some pictures. I told Kristo and my parents about her. But yeah, I'll send some pictures and maybe I'll send some to Kristo so he can show you.
Okay. Oh, good.
But
What
yeah,
color eyes does she have?
she has like golden eyes.
Okay.
And they're starting to change colors because she's they're supposed to, I guess. I don't know. But when we got her, she was like less than 2 pounds, and now she's probably like 1.5 pounds. Well, she was maybe a pound, yeah. So she was super tiny, and yeah, that first week was kind of hard, but it's been so worth it too. Like when she's just like laying in our lap or sleeping on our necks or wherever it is. It's like the cutest thing when she's purring and.
Oh, well, she's at home.
Yeah, it took a while. I mean, a couple weeks, which wasn't too long, but
oh, that's neat.
It's definitely a nice de-stressor as well, like coming home from work. Not that I'm too stressed yet, but, just sitting on the couch and playing with her, and she's just, like, purring on my lap. I didn't, I didn't realize how much I would enjoy it or how much I look forward to it every day, so.
Well, yeah, because you guys were not raised with pets.
No, we weren't. And I thought we wanted to get a cat first just because it would be a little more low maintenance. And it is, because we don't have to take her out all the time. But she's still, like, very active, especially she's a cat, like, kitten, so she has a ton of energy. So if we don't tire her out, she'll have, like, the zoomies at night, and she's just, like, running around the bed or just, like, trying to sleep, so we've definitely gotten the hang of it. And, like, the feeding schedule, we had to give her milk for the first couple of weeks because she was, like, undersized. And now we're taking her to vet appointments with vaccines, and yeah, it's a lot, but I'm, like, really enjoying it.
Well, it's nice. It's nice to come home to that. Yeah, that's great. Great. Yeah. Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Where were we in the book?
Yeah, so I honestly I was like halfway last time we talked about it. And I wasn't even like in Russia yet. They were just about to get into Russia. But then I actually...
Hey, Nico, I'm just going to say bye to Grandma real quick. And then you guys can continue your conversation.
Oh, okay. Did you fix it?
Just stay on.
Just stay on.
Yeah, you don't have to.
No.
We got your TV all fixed. It's all there now. I got it running, and I left it on for you, but it should be all like how it was. Yeah.
Wonderful. Those things must be synced. Is that the
point? But it should be, just always press the power button once and you'll be good. But it's all running smoothly now.
Oh, Kristen.
You're welcome. No, you don't have to get up.
I'm gonna go tomorrow.
Oh, and talk in there. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, it was just it's kind of hard for the workers didn't know what was going on because see, the thing is they didn't even need a password. Like, you did not need to supply them anything because I didn't need a password for anything. I was able to just. How like old is he? Was he a little older? Yeah.
I hated to get upset with him.
Yeah, it should all be. It is running nicely now. I can keep it on for you though.
Yeah,
or...
well,
Noli,
Yeah, it's all
Noli.
good though, yeah.
But it's those two things must be
Yeah.
on.
Yeah, but right now they are. But then I think they played with it a little bit and they made other things, so I just reset the whole thing and it's so good. It's good to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can turn it off,
Correct.
and I'll make sure that it can see the both things, right?
Yeah. So if you just press the power and it should. Boom. Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Now let's see if I can.
Here, we'll wait for a little bit to turn it back on then, because then just make sure it's all up. All right, you're good to go. Yep. Yep, it'll work. You'll see.
Because we just got that no why and
Yeah. See there it is. So it's all up and running. Nice. Yeah. So it should be back to normal. If this happens again, don't call those guys. Call me.
I hate to do that.
No. I'm just glad it wasn't a big problem. Like this is a good thing though. I'm glad I could control it.
Oh,
But good. I'm glad everything should be back to normal. Where would you like to do your chat with Nico?
here, I want you to unscrew a few tops.
Oh, okay. Oh, your. Yeah.
No, I was like, that milk, that half and half.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
The thing came out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do that with a knife.
I'll try with a knife and I thought, hey, all you need to do is cut yourself.
Very smooth.
Now you
Finish up cutting balls with us. That's the nice.
I hear you went down to see the girl.
Yeah, my grandma and grandpa, they live in Urbana, Ohio.
Yeah.
We went down last weekend, I think.
Yeah.
To see them. That was good.
Yeah.
They met him for the first time. They were all excited.
All right. Do you remember when I took the?
It doesn't, it counts through it, because I pulled it out, so you gotta be,
It's just open.
just put it in like that.
Okay.
And also in here, there is a water thing down in the bottom, if you'll get it out. And that,
I'll put it over here.
it's so hard because I have no feeling in the ends of my fingers. Did you undo it already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What did I do that?
All ready for you to go. Any other last second things?
Kristo, can you hear me?
Let's do that.
What's up?
Finish what Grandma was saying first. Sorry.
Look in the bathroom at the.
Oh, I did. It looks really nice. It looked really nice, Grandma.
They were here 5 hours.
Putting that up. Wow, that's so nice.
You and your father would have had a hard
I'm doing it.
time doing it.
It looks pretty complex. It's a lot bigger than I expected. Yeah, it looks really sharp. Looks good in there.
Well, I don't want to get close to you to kiss your because I don't want anything.
Yeah.
I don't want you to.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you so much for
You're welcome. Yeah, this is nothing at all. Yeah, we got some more. I got a test tomorrow that I have to kind of study for, so that's why we're kind of rushing out of here.
Oh,
But
sure.
Hey, Kristo.
What's up?
1 second. I sent you something on Instagram. It's a link to Noli's Instagram page. Can you show Grandma?
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm already following.
Oh, okay.
Crag Cat.
Yeah. I just told Grandma about her, so
Yeah.
just like quick, you know.
Oh, God, you did almost the whole time.
You can't stop it.
Yeah. Yeah, where would you like to sit while you finish your conversation with Nico?
Oh, I'm so good.
Okay.
So nice and sunny.
Yeah. Well, I'll leave this here then. He's still on, and this is the Noli, the cat.
Oh, is it? Oh, she's adorable.
Yeah, she's really cute.
Oh, look at her. Oh, she is cute.
All right, thanks, Kristo.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a good, look at that photo. That's a really good photo of her.
Wow.
That's my screensaver.
Really pretty.
Yeah. I mean, you have a good camera to take pictures of her.
I know, and videos, so.
Happy flowers here.
Oh, they look great.
Well, you have a... Go back and study.
Yeah. We will.
Both of
We're
you.
gonna hit the books. Alright, well, yeah, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
And, yeah, so everything's good. Have a good conversation.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Can I just see you?
Alright.
Nice.
See you sometime. Alright.
Okay.